How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing whistling practice. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today is going to be whistling with 2 fingers. So just like this. We'll whistle for 10 seconds. In my opinion, anything more than that, you get super duper lightheaded. Even 10 seconds. I get a little bit lightheaded, but 10 seconds should be okay. So I'll give you guys some tips along the way just to kind of help you out. If you're a first timer watching this video, you cannot whistle to save your life. I will help you. So let's get started. We'll just practice. So again, when you're whistling, the main thing is tongue position and suction. So your tongue position should be in this position. It should be like this. Holy crap, I bit my tongue today and that's what it looks like. Damn. Okay, anyways, your tongue should be like this, curled. So it should be like that. So again, then push against it. And then lips around your finger, super tight. Sorry, that was a fail. Okay, I apologize. My tongue really hurts and I have this on my thing. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right? You guys can't see it on here, but it's a canker sore and it really hurts. But anyways, that is how you whistle. I do apologize. But that was not bad. That wasn't too bad. So again, tongue like this. Push against it with these fingers and then just blow. That's it. So we'll do again. Wow, that was good. That was really good in my opinion. That was super sweet. A little bit lightheaded, I'm not going to lie. A little bit lightheaded. Okay. And with these whistling videos, I only do 5 minutes. 10 minutes would be kind of hard just because I feel you get really lightheaded. So 5 minutes is plenty. You can practice as much as you want in my opinion. Just don't go for very long or you will get lightheaded. And you probably don't want to be doing that long term. So again, just whistle for 5 seconds, give it your best. You can do this 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times a day if you want, whatever. Let's do it again. Wow, that was sick. Look at the dog's even coming. She's like, what in the hell is going on? Hey, Sparky, how's it going? Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Sorry, I'm making a whistling video, Sparky. Oh, look how cute she is. Look, she wants up. Okay, Sparky, you stay down there. All right, we'll do another 10 seconds. That one wasn't too bad. Again, this canker sore is really, really hurting me, so it's a little bit tough to really get into position, but I still think that was pretty damn good in my opinion. 4th video of the day, so that's really good. I get an easy video after this, making a hickey video. That'll be 5 videos done, then only 4 more left to go. So that's pretty good in my opinion. Doing really well today on the videos. And yeah, just gotta keep on keeping on. We will do another 10 seconds. Okay, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.